Hey everyone, special video today. This is Gary, and Gary drove quite a distance for today's video and what we're doing. So this video is in partnership with LaVivid Hair because I'm using a LaVivid Hair system and we're giving him a makeover today. So this is really exciting. What we're doing is we're going with a unit that has kind of like a salt and pepper type of color. Really probably the best base that I like, which is a thin skin poly base. So to me, those are the best, look the most natural. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to do the procedure like I normally would, or I'm gonna be fitting his scalp for the unit. I'm gonna be prepping his scalp, doing everything you've seen me do in the past. But the difference is I'm doing it on Gary, which is gonna be awesome. So I'm really excited about this. So enjoy the video. Follow along and let's have some fun. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the new Gary, and he looks phenomenal. So I just want to break down what I did. So Gary's hair previously, before that, was pretty light underneath and through here, right? And that could be from the sun. It could just be, you know, his hair lightens up pretty quickly and pretty easily. So what I wanted to do was kind of work the shape into his existing hair, right? Without making it look too dramatic of a difference. And I wanted to look very lived in. So as you can see, I really just blended everything in through here into the bottom, gave it more of a kind of a textured, layered, messy sort of look. I don't want anything super perfect. And it's got a great flow to it. I think it looks really youthful on him. The hairline's very natural. And you know, you can do a bunch of different things. You can, kind of go down the middle if you want. You can make it voluminous. You can slick it back. You can go over kind of one way and brush all this over if you want. There's a lot of different things you can do with this style. The one thing that is important when you're doing a hair system or a hair unit, especially if you're the one doing it on somebody else, you really have to take in consideration, though, the style and how to work it into everything else. Because if you don't, especially if you're working with someone, who's got maybe some gray hair or a little bit of an older demographic, then you need to make sure you're making them look youthful. And Gary mentioned to me, he goes, this looks almost exactly like my hair many, many years ago when I wore it. And that's great news to me because I love that. So look down a little bit. So to me, this looks great. It looks very, very natural. This is, again, a hair unit from LaVivid Hair, who I love and I highly suggest. So don't forget, go to lavividhair.com and use code TheSalonGuy for 15% off all the things that you need, the actual unit itself. It's a really great deal. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think about how Gary looks. I think he looks great. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.